Mabuhay and welcome to my YouTube channel. If this is your first time to visit, please don't forget to hit that subscribe button.
Hi everyone, welcome back to MOMiji's Kitchen, and today I'm going to be teaching you my version of adobo. I am going to teach you how to cook adobo. Adobo, as far as I know, is also famous worldwide. Why? Because Filipinos are everywhere. We are worldwide. And I have a little trivia. Adobo apparently is not an original dish of the Philippines, but we sort of embrace it already, and it has become a staple food in every Filipino home. So I will be teaching you how to cook adobo. By the way, there are a lot of versions of adobo, but mine, I like it sticky and oily as long as I'm using olive oil. Some adobos are saucy, and egg is always there. Yeah, most people prefer adobo with boiled eggs, and I'm also going to teach you how to properly boil your eggs specifically for adobo. Now I am going to show you our ingredients. First ingredient is, of course, chicken. Well, of course, adobo is not adobo without garlic and onions. I like using the entire head of garlic, and I don't remove the skin because I believe it also brings out the taste. And dried bay leaves, of course, the secret in all my cooking, sugar, because I don't use MSG. Sugar brings out the taste, and I prefer using red sugar. I use ground pepper, and I combine it with this peppercorns, Himalayan salt. Of course, we have kikkoman. This is the heart of our adobo, and sweet soy sauce. For the last ingredient is our vinegar, but I prefer using apple cider. Alright guys, these are the ingredients of our adobo. Now I'm going to teach you how to boil the eggs for adobo. My eggs are submerged in water, completely submerged, and it's okay if they have gap in between. It doesn't matter, as long as all of your eggs are completely submerged, they won't crack while boiling. I'll be using my induction. The house has this induction, but I prefer using the IKEA version. I don't know, it's just more accurate when it comes to heating up my pan. Let it boil for 12 minutes. There you go. Guys, I cleaned my hands, and I am going to show you how I marinate my adobo, because it's very important, this step. You must not rush it. All right, first we are going to season the chicken with salt. Not too much, just this amount, about half a teaspoon. And then, but wait a minute, before that I'm going to prepare all of this first, because later on when my hands are already dirty, I don't want to contaminate them. All right. Oh, there we go. So we already added the salt. Next is we're going to add the pepper. Then, this is the important part. Massage your chicken. Make sure that the salt and the pepper are evenly spread. And this is the time I am going to add my garlic. While the eggs are boiling, we are preparing this. Oh my gosh, excuse me. Don't worry guys, I sneezed on my t-shirt. And now we're going to add our onions. Keep mixing, keep massaging. Whee! And then I am going to add about 4 to 5 bay leaves. There you go. I'm trimming this video in between because it's taking a while. It's going to be very long if I don't trim it in between the ingredients. I don't measure my ingredients, guys. I don't know, I've been doing it for many years already. It's your preference. If you like it with a lot of soy sauce or minimal soy sauce, then don't put a lot, okay? Don't put a lot. But in my case, I am going to make sticky adobo. That's why I am going to add a lot of soy sauce. And now, it's time to add our ABC sweet soy sauce. This one, it's not too much. I think the proportion here, just to give you an idea, 1 cup of soy sauce to 1/2 cup of sweet soy sauce. And now I am going to add my sugar. Just a little bit. Why? Because this will help thicken the sauce later and also to make it caramelize. Yes, caramelize and bring out the taste as well. Now, I'm going to leave this in the fridge for at least 30 minutes. Now, let's cover it with cling wrap. Why? It's very important kasi
this video is brought to you by MOMiji's Amazon store. Kitchen essentials curated for you. MOMiji's channel members. And MOMiji's merchandise with thousands of items to choose from, designed by yours truly. Links below.
this is raw chicken. The last thing we want is to contaminate the rest of the food that we have in our fridge. All right. I'm gonna turn off the heat and I am going to drain it. Doesn't change to tap water. We already kept this in the fridge for at least 30 minutes. Actually, it's more than 30 minutes. I took a long break. It's already hot, guys, and I can start adding my onions and garlic first. Why? Because I want to caramelize them first before adding the chicken. Of course, you won't be able to put everything in there. As much as you can add to the oil, that's all. And then later on, you add everything. I just want to cook majority of the chicken, majority of the garlic and the onions first before adding the chicken, because that's going to bring out the taste. It's like cooking tinola or what else? Tinola, munggo. It's very important that you cook the garlic and the onion first before you add the chicken. Now you can see that the garlic and the onions are starting to caramelize. It's time to add our chicken, but leave the soy sauce We are not going to add it yet, just the chicken and the rest of the onions and garlic. Allow it to simmer for at least 15 minutes, guys. We are going to cover it. We'll be back. Right, it's time to check it. Yes, it's cooking really good. Smells so yummy. Now, I am going to cook it for 30 more minutes, but this time I am not going to cover it. And also, this is the stage where you add the remaining soy sauce. Do not mix it. Let those chicken, onions, and garlic caramelize more and let the sauce thicken. Let it evaporate. Look at that, guys. This is exactly what we are after. Look at that sauce. It's thickened up already. You can now see the oil separating from the soy sauce. That is what we are after, and that is what I call sticky adobo. If you're happy with that, then stick to it. Stick to your sticky adobo. But if you don't like it sticky, you can definitely add water. As simple as that. Just add water and it's going to be saucy adobo. But I personally prefer sticky adobo. Also, I know a lot of people. I've had a lot of visitors that like my sticky adobo. I was surprised. Most of the Filipinos that I had as visitors, they said that they prefer the sticky adobo. Alright, we're ready for plating. Final step, as we turn off the heat, we are going to add our suka, apple cider vinegar, just a little bit. About half a teaspoon. Mix it well. What's the purpose of suka or vinegar? Well, to give it a kick, because soy sauce alone will make it taste flat and very salty. Now we need to give it some element of sour taste, and also vinegar will help your adobo last long. That is why adobo is also a staple picnic viand, and you can keep your adobo in room temperature, but I don't do that because chicken is chicken. However, I grew up in the Philippines and our adobo can last in room temperature for 3 days and nothing bad happened to us.
Are you serious? Oh my gosh, I forgot to turn on my rice cooker.
Well, I guess we have another blooper, guys. Well, my channel is not my channel without any bloopers. Our rice is finally cooked, guys, and we can resume with our vlog. Extra rice. Extra rice. Yan. Look at that. Yes.
Yay! Let's add dried parsley. Ayan, pampaganda.
Crispy onions.
You can purchase this real-looking banana leaf from my Amazon cooking shop. The link is posted below. Please do check it out. And there you have it, guys. This is my version of adobo. And this is best eaten on banana leaves with egg and mango. You can't go wrong with adobo. Sarap. I think I'll have extra rice. This is heaven.
MOMiji.